Okay, in this video I will show you how to turn a massive text into a numbered list painlessly by using Emacs keyboard macros. A keyboard macro is a command defined by a user to stand for another sequence of keys. For example, we have a long paragraph like this. Our task is to turn it into a number list with every word as a list item. There are two steps to use keyboard macros. Define a macro and apply the macro. First, let's define a macro by hitting F3 and change the first word to a list item. Here we want to insert a number, so hit F3 again. To do that, we can see that Emacs insert a 0 for us. Then type dot and space literally to insert a dot and a space, and move the point forward by word by pressing Meta F and hit enter to break the line. As you can see, we've made our first item. Since the point is now at the beginning of the second word, which is perfect for applying a macro, so we hit F4 to finish defining the macro. That's it, we've just defined a macro with the counter enabled. Now let's move to the second step, that is applying the macro. The key to do that is also F4, so hit F4 and see what will happen. See, it just makes the second word an item with the correct number. Since it works as we expected, what we need to do now is keep pressing F4 till the end. That's it, mission completed. What an incredible journey. But there is a minor problem here. The number starts from 0, which is a little weird. But Emacs knows that too. It offers a way to set a counter. To do that, execute the command kmacro set counter and set the counter value to 1. Now let's undo all the changes. Undo. Undo. Yes, now let's reapply the macro by hitting F4 again. This time the numbers are all correct. That's it. Thanks for watching.